That's a tie. Rachar pass to Mama. Rachar pass to Mama. Taylor. Check still. The kid. Right now behind the back. What the ball? 5 down. Ang daming kamay humahaba. Ang daming kamay humahaba. Pampanga bowler, strong leg. They're unstoppable. Number 44, Jeric Pabiada has occasion. Block! Bagsak! Sa kanto, sabay pingit sa gitna. Sa gitna. 5 down. 3-point. 3-point shots. Shots. Nugget by CJ. Mama Sornaticas. Recovered by Jade. Pamatay sunog. Back here in the second half. Here it comes. Ken Sanchez slicing the middle.